When working with PhotoWorks, I find it helpful to split the SolidWorks screen into viewports. This allows SolidWorks to render quicker, as there is less screen area to render, and it also allows me to compare one version of a rendering to another when defining materials or lighting, without having to create image files. So, how does this work? Well, first you need to define viewports by selecting Window, Viewports, and then picking either 2 or 4. I'll pick 2 vertical for this example. I can then recall a named view I want to use for my rendering in one of the viewports, and then render the view. Because the viewing area is much smaller, it will render quicker. After the rendering is complete, I'll pick into the other viewport and make a change to the render settings. For instance, I'll change the color of the 2 materials used in the rendering. Then I can obtain a similar view to the other viewport and then render the display, which will produce a rendering I can then compare with the original. If I am not happy with the new appearance settings I've applied, I can just undo them and go again. The other option you have is to split the screen into 4 viewports, and you could then have 3 or 4 different renderings to compare at the same time.